Hello everyone, welcome to Startup Sparks, where we ignite your entrepreneurial journey. I'm Taha, and today we're diving into a topic every founder needs to master: how to nail your startup pitch and raise funds like a pro. Whether you're gearing up for your first investor meeting or looking to refine your existing pitch, these tips will give you the edge you need to secure funding. Let's get started. 1. Start with a captivating hook. The first few seconds of your pitch are crucial. You need to grab attention immediately. Start with a bold statement or a question. For example, did you know that 70% of businesses fail because they can't solve a real problem? Tell a compelling story. Share a personal experience or a real-life scenario that highlights the problem your startup addresses. Set the tone. Clearly articulate what makes your pitch unique. A strong opening creates interest and sets the stage for the rest of your presentation. 2. Define the problem and your solution. Investors care about the problem you're solving and how you plan to solve it. Be specific about the problem. Use data to show why it's significant. Introduce your solution. Explain how your product or service addresses the issue effectively. Showcase the value. What makes your solution better, faster, or cheaper than existing alternatives? Make it crystal clear why your idea matters. 3. Highlight market potential. Investors want to see the opportunity. How big is your market? Present key statistics. Share the size of your target market and its growth potential. Define your niche. Who are your ideal customers, and how will you reach them? Discuss trends. Show that you understand the market dynamics and where your startup fits. Convince them that the market opportunity is worth investing in. 4. Explain your business model. A great idea needs a solid plan to make money. Outline your revenue streams. Are you selling subscriptions, products, or services? Prove scalability. How will your business grow and generate increasing revenue over time? Address pricing. Explain how your pricing strategy aligns with your target market and competitors. Investors want to know how they'll get a return on their investment. 5. Showcase your team. Investors invest in people as much as they invest in ideas. Highlight your team's expertise. Share the skills and experience that make your team capable of executing the vision. Fill the gaps. If you're missing key roles, be transparent and explain how you'll address them. Share achievements. Highlight any milestones your team has already accomplished. A strong team builds investor confidence. 6. Perfect your delivery. How you present your pitch is just as important as what you say. Be concise. Aim to communicate your key points in 10 to 15 minutes. Use visuals. Keep your slides clean and focus on impactful visuals and data. Practice, practice, practice. Rehearse your pitch until it feels natural and confident. Your energy and confidence will inspire trust in your audience. 7. End with a clear ask. The closing of your pitch should leave no doubts about what you need. Specify your funding request. Be clear about how much you're asking for and what it will be used for. Share your vision. Paint a picture of what success looks like with their support. Invite questions. Show that you're open to discussion and confident in your plan. A strong closing ties everything together and encourages action. And there you have it. By mastering these steps, you'll be well on your way to delivering a professional, compelling startup pitch that attracts investors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge is when pitching to investors. I'd love to help. See you in the next video, and good luck with your startup journey.